Hi, this is Nitesh, and this is a momentous day. We have got our degree today. Eventful, approximately 2 years of journey with IPL and, of course, the Executive MBA. Currently, I'm working with Boeing and in the in the capacity of product manager and product ownership. And I can't just say and tell how much this course has been valuable to me. But beside the academia, I think there's the experience and the group networking that we have done, which would be of immense value. And I'm feeling kind of mixed feeling today because officially this is going to be the last day in the campus, but I hope the association continues. And kudos to IPL and kudos to the university for everything that they have done. How are things different compared to when I have joined? Certainly, it has given me a much larger landscape, mental acumen when it comes down to product leadership. So there are actual industry practices that we didn't know, and we were working. Some of us were working in product management, some of us were not working. But actually, when in the event of this, in the period of this 2 years, this is where we have actually worked on a product and got through the entire journey of the things, right? And I think that is an immense experience. And of course, delta from the first day to the last day is my peer group, which is of immense value, and of course the IPL experience. Certainly, escalate up in the career ladder in the product vertical. If I have to tell my expectation from IPL, I would say that continue the alumni association, so that people like us should not have a notion of approaching you after the course, right? I mean, it should be seamless, and I think it is already there. So just continue that good work.